I am one of the co-founders of the Advanced Neuro-Vision Systems, a neurovisual rehabilitation company. Our center was established based on our collaboration with Dr. Bibodorf of Valley Vision, research collaboration on a number of projects with UND athletes, UND hockey players, as well as a previous grant project with youth athletes. And we noticed in our studies that a lot of the athletes who had suffered traumatic brain injury, multiple concussions, they consistently show specific deficits in the visual systems, oculomotor deficits in how they have control over their visual system, over their eyes, as well as visual processing delays.
When you touch the letter A, you're going to have this blue target that's going to be appearing on the screen in different areas. If it's on the right side, you're going to hit it with the right hand. If it's on the left one, you hit it with the left one. So,
our training focuses specifically on improving the performance of the oculomotor system, as well as improving visual processing, which translates into cognitive benefits.
The patient can be referred by their neurologist, their primary care practitioner, their trainer, athletic trainer. Anybody can furnish the referral. Usually it begins with a thorough subjective survey or questionnaire to find out what are their symptoms, and after that we hone in on a complete comprehensive visual evaluation, binocular evaluation, and oculomotor evaluation. Once the assessment is done and the diagnosis have been made, we make a referral to Advanced Neuro-Vision Systems to do a programmed therapy, usually within 3 phases. One phase to work on just the dynamics of the oculomotor system, the second phase to work on the rapidity or the facility of the oculomotor system, and the final phase is to integrate those visual skills with other modalities and to make them more automatic.
Is always use the left and right hand, and this actually also helps with the balance. Okay, so you're gonna.
One of the things that we're hoping to gain access to is tele-rehabilitation, so that if we can have something like this set up in Bismarck and one in Minot, we could maybe work through a patient so that they wouldn't have to travel to Grand Forks. ND Ben has probably provided us with more patients and awareness around the state of our services, so we've really enjoyed that relationship with ND Ben.